Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. Today I am going to discuss some question in trigonometry. Okay? Now, and this video for class 10 mathematics. Look at this. Look, this is a right angle triangle. The name of this right angle triangle is PQR. Here angle Q is 90 degree, angle P is theta, angle R is phi, it is x plus 2. In the question it was not given. It was question, in the question it was unknown. Okay. So what I have to do? We have to find the value of 2 under root x plus 1. Okay. So in PQR, angle 90 degree given, theta given, phi given, QR given, x plus 2 given. We have to find the value of PQ. Okay. And with the help of PQ, we have to find the cot phi and do multiplication with under root x plus 1. So look here, it is a PQ value. By the Pythagoras we can go this square plus that square equal to those square. So we can write there PQ square equal to PR square minus QR square by the Pythagoras theorem. PR value is x plus 2 whole square minus x square. Put on the formula of a plus b whole square, a square, b square, 2ab minus x square cancel, 4x plus 4. So PQ square is equal to 4 into x plus 1. Okay. So PQ barabar, the whole it is in root, the 4 become 2 and it is under root x plus 1. Now PQ value I just put here in separate triangle, 2 under root x plus 1. B value is x and h value is x plus 2. Why it is P? Because this is opposite of phi. PQ is opposite side of phi. It is taken as perpendicular, 90 opposite hypotenuse and this is base. We have to find the value of under root x plus 1 cot phi. The under root x plus 1 is same, it is cot phi value d by p, b value is x and p value is 2 under root x plus 1. So this is the value of cot phi. If I put here x by 2 into under root x plus 1, they will cancel and remaining answer is x plus 2. Now, second questions of the same topic I am going to discuss here. No, main figure will not change. Okay. The second question is there. Find the square root of x cube plus x square. And this is tan theta. Listen my dear, here I am going to use a tan. And this value is now 2 under root x plus 1. Okay, this value is now 2 under root x plus 1. So for theta, this is perpendicular, name it is RQP. Okay, perpendicular is x, this is base is 2 under root x plus 1. Okay, 2 under root x plus 1. Now, and it is hypotenuse x plus 2. Now, so tan theta we can say, tan theta value is P upon B, perpendicular by base. So here it is perpendicular is x and base is 2 under root x plus 1. Okay. Now what I have to do? We have to put the value of tan theta as they multiply with x under root x cube plus x square. Now x cube plus x square tan theta. Okay. So here we can take common x square, x plus 1, tan theta. Tan theta value is x by 2 under root x plus 1. Okay. Now x square become x and here it is under root x plus 1 into x by 2 under root x plus 1. X plus 1 will cancel. X become x square divided by 2. This is the value of this question. Okay, so we just take common x square, x plus 1 and tan theta x by 2 into under root x plus 1. They will say cancel. So x into x square by 2. This is the solution. Now third it is the concept of what? Third it is the concept of a cot theta. Cos theta. The cos theta means d by h. Okay, so for B, for theta it is B and it is H. So value will be 2 under root x plus 1 by x plus 2. Clear? So I hope you understand these questions, and I am going to the next question. Look at this. Second question is there. Number 2. If x equal to cot theta plus cosec, cot plus cos, and y equal to cot A minus cos A. Okay, prove that what? X minus y by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 to the whole square. We have to prove the value will be 1. X minus y, x plus y. So look at this. X value I have, y value I have. X value is cot A plus cos A, y value cot A minus cos A. So if we do the x plus y, solution it is now. Okay. So x plus y if I do, so here cot A plus cos A and cot A minus cos A. I just write here cot A plus cos A and cot A minus cos A. I just put it. So here it is cos A cancel. The value of this is cot A. 2 cot A. X plus y value is 2 cot A. This is equation number 1. Now, if I have to find cot x minus y, so here it is cot A plus cos A, then minus cot A minus cos A. Okay, so it will be cot A plus cos A, break the bracket, minus cot A plus cos A. Okay, cot A cancel and it will be 2 cos A. Now what have to do? We have to prove the value of this. What is the value? LHS. LHS it is x minus y, x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square. Clear? So x minus y is 2 cos A and x plus y is 2 cot A. So we just put here 2 cos A by 2 cot A to the whole square plus x minus y is 2 cos A by 2 whole square. 2 cancel, and now this cot A become cos by sine. So here I will go, okay, cos A, okay, cos A, or cot means cos A by sine A, okay, to the whole square, okay, and now it is cos square A. Now it is cos square A. So cos A cancel. Look at this. Cos A means cos A and cot A means cos by sine. Below sine will go up. The cos cancel. So here it will be sine square plus cos square and the value will be 1. It is the RHS. Once again look. X value cot A plus cos A, y value cot A minus cos A. We have to prove that the value of this will be 1. So we have to find the x minus y value, x plus y value. If you go with the x plus y, cot A plus cos A x and cot A minus cos A y. I just write cos A cancel, cot, 2 cot. X minus y, cot A plus cos A minus cot A minus cos A. Cot cancel, cos A 2 cos A. I just put the value of x minus y, I just put the value of x plus y. So here x minus y by x plus y, 2 cos A by 2 cot A whole square and 2 cos A by 2 whole square. 2 cancel, cot means cos by sine. So here it is cos and sine will go up. Here it is. Cos cancel, sine A whole square. And this is cos A whole square, cos square A. The sine square A plus cos square A value will be 1. Clear? Now, next question. Next question, my dear. It is third question. So simple it is. Third question it is, if third number, if 3x equal to cosec theta and 3 by x equal to cot theta. Okay, find the value of 3x square minus 1 by x square. Okay, so what I will do? Solution here, 3x equal to cosec theta. So x value 1 by 3 cosec theta. Okay, this is number 1. Now 3 by x equal to cot theta. So 1 by x equal to 1 by 3 cot theta. This is number 2. Okay, equation 1, equation 2, x and 1 by x. So we just put the value in this, 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. Okay, 3 into x value is 1 by 3 cosec theta to the whole square minus 1 by x, 1 by 3 cot theta to the whole square. Clear? So 3 into x value 1 by 3 cosec theta whole square, 1 by 3 cot whole square. So we can write here 3 into 1 by 9 cosec square minus 1 by 9 cot square. Clear? 1 by 9 taken out common. Here it is cosec square minus cot square. Now it will be 1 by 3 and it is 1. The answer will be 1 by 3. And that is the solutions. Okay. Look what I have done. 3x is equal to cosec theta. So just find the value of x. X equal to 3 will come down. X equal to 1 by 3 cosec theta. Now 3 by x equal to cot theta. 1 by x remaining here. 3 will come down. 1 by 3 cot theta. So x value this and 1 by x value this. Equation 1 and 2. What I have to do? 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. So x value is 1 by 3 cosec theta. X value 1 by 3 cosec theta whole square minus 1 by x square 1 by 3 cot theta whole square. Now 1 by 3 square 1 by 9 cosec square 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9 cot square. 1 by 9 taken common, cosec square minus cot square, it will be 1. So 3 divide 9 become 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. I think so you understand. Okay, bye.